Namaste. CA Final Direct Taxation Paper 7 recordings of the classes are available at Bharadwaj Institute. The classes were conducted by me. I am Sreevathson, a chartered accountant with more than 2 decades of teaching experience. For me, taxation is not just a subject, it is an emotion, it is a passion. So my passion is converted in the classroom. 130 hours of classes covering entirely the syllabus, all the study materials, all the past question papers, and of course, all the amendments, case laws that are applicable and the circulars that are there in our study material. That apart, I have also written this book on direct taxation for my student friends. This book is approximately having 500 questions which are worked out in the classroom, and the answers are also available in this book. The provisions are discussed in detail so that you will appreciate, understand, enjoy the subject as much as I enjoy sharing my knowledge on this particular subject. Well, the classes are approximately, as I said, 130 hours divided into 50 sessions. So you can sit with your computers or mobile and listen to the lectures, work out the questions, and also have this book in your hand to understand it better. All case laws are highlighted. The book is following a color pattern that you will enjoy while reading on what to be highlighted. Amendments are in a different color because amendments are the most questionable area that will also be coming to you. My dear friends, when you buy the lectures, it is like me sitting next to you and discussing the subject. That apart, on a real-time basis, I am available to you for all doubt clarification. The recordings plus this book will enable you to score more than 60. I am confident because the way the classroom is handled. I have subdivided every chapter into smaller units because I always feel short is sweet and it is easier to take and digest. For example, the profits and gains chapter is divided into income, depreciation, scientific research, specified business, disallowance provision, ICDS, administrative provisions, so that every small unit will have its nuances, will have its case laws, will have what you have to understand it. In a capsule format, when it is given to you, your grabbing will be stronger, your understanding will be faster and deeper. This book supports the unit also. Apart from that, international taxation is covered in depth. Out of the 30 marks, I want you to score 20 to 25 marks. So the international taxation is dealt with along with almost many questions covering every provision of it. There are few who will understand the provisions directly. There are few who will understand the provision when they look at it from the practical perspective. Both of these classes are fulfilled in our classroom. The classroom is passion driven. Well, I have 4 passionate things: taxation, theater, I'm a dramatist, Talaivar, and D-filter coffee. My passion, I'm trying to convert it into your passion so that you learn the subject in a very wonderful manner with clear objective of examination, 60 plus, and also knowing the subject and its nuances. What are you waiting for? Buy the recorded classes. It will be like me being with you all through till your examination, and even after becoming your CA, our taxation discussions will continue. All the very best.